Hi.
He just got back from the goats.
Yeah, it was great.
It's a lot going on during the commercial break.
Yeah, there was. So
Yeah.
now I think we know what a kolache is.
Yes,
Okay.
I think.
Yeah, it's it's with
Bread with stuff in
there's
there.
food and-
Okay. But how do you make them?
Oh, I don't.
Yeah. Steve Harris is live in Brentwood. Steve, what's going on?
I've never actually had one, but today I will. I have Jenny Smith. Don't be fooled by the kolaches that she's got. She's still Jenny from the block. Yeah, see? Then the block would be Brentwood. That's where it's at, right here. So people that don't know, what is a kolache?
Yes, so a kolache is a Czechoslovakian pastry. Basically a slightly sweet dinner roll with amazingness inside, all packed in.
So there's a surprise on the inside.
Right? A surprise every time, yeah. But we do tell you what's inside when you order. So
I love that. So let me ask you what got you into kolaches. What turns you on?
Absolutely. Once you try them, you'll understand as well. It's an amazing product. They are delicious, and everybody loves them. So it was just one of those things that we have a family. We close at 2 every day.
Oh.
It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. So.
And here's another beautiful, beautiful thing. Now, I am going to, if you come in today, anytime today, before 2 when you close, a sausage and cheese kolache.
Yeah, right here.
You can get one for free. And on Sunday, tell us about that.
Yeah, Sunday's National Kolache Day. So you can come in and get one free fruit or cream cheese all day, one per person for free. So we'd love to have you.
They seem to be pretty popular. You're saying you're selling out of them. What is your most popular, do you think?
Oh yeah, our most popular by far is sausage and gravy right over here. It's amazing. It's biscuits and gravy essentially, but inside the kolache, so.
So I'm going to give it a shot. Be my first time ever. Oh, I will. Watch this.
I'm telling you right now, it's like heaven
You
in
don't-
a bun.
what did you say?
Heaven in a bun. It's amazing.
Heaven in a bun. That is how I would describe it. Good Lord, look at that. Look. They're jealous, Jenny.
They're so good, I know.
Want to see how these are made? We're going to show you coming up after I finish this one.
Wow, that looks pretty good. All right, we'll be back with you, Steve. All right, thank you.